We did 2 leak detection visits to this property. First, we found the leak, and after giving a quote, we break up the floor. In this leak detection investigation in Hampstead, customer complained about a strong smell on the ground floor, especially when the underfloor heating was on. We carried out a smoke test and saw smoke rising between the pipes at the manifold. This confirmed that the smell and leak was coming from the waste pipe. Using a small camera under the stairs, we found a leaking waste pipe elbow connected to the toilet. To fix it, we had to remove the staircase. Dye test confirmed the location of the leak. We also found another issue in the kitchen. Smoke came up through the floor during the test, showing another leak or open pipe. After finding the leak, we started breaking up the kitchen floor. We broke the floor without damaging the underfloor heating and found an open waste pipe that was not connected to anything, as well as a leak on the floor. The smoke test confirmed the spot where the builders left an open pipe. We repaired all the leaks and sorted out the smell. We sealed the gaps, completing another leak detection project in Hampstead. We also repaired the concrete floor and stairs. Call MML Plumbing today for fast, expert leak detection in North London.